Hello viewers. Today I'm planning to change my classic 350 normal seat to bucket seat or low rider seat. Okay. So what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to take out the two springs and going to fit a L clamp so that it will become we can change the sheet positions and everything. And I'm planning to change this also and have a clamp. Okay, so let's see how this project goes. I'll update you later. Now I'm going to the uh, shop where I can fit the L clamps. Bye. Hello guys, this is my bullet. This is how it looks after fitting the seat. I have removed the springs and I have put a steady rod so that you can see here, so that there won't be any vibrations. And I am planning to make this seat as a low rider seat. You can see in this side also. Okay, this is how it looks. Next I'll show you how to fit the seat, all those remove the springs and how to make that strip to fit to the seat. This is the original Royal Enfield classic 350 seat. I have taken it out and I'm going to fix a steady clamp instead of the springs. Okay guys, and you can see the spanner. I'm using 13 number spanner here. This is the spanner which can be used to take out the nut which is used to tighten the springs. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just pause the video and I'll take out the springs and I'll show you the clamps which I have made custom. Okay, so guys, these are the clamps which I have made custom for my requirement. I'll fit this clamp. I've taken out the springs now. Okay, the clamps which I'll show you close up. You can see a small bend so that it will be straight like how the spring is fitted. Okay, you should not make it straight. There should be a slight bend so that it when you fix it like this, okay, it should come straight to the nut. Can you see here? Okay, it should come straight to the nut here. And this one, it's like a clamp which all classic 350s have. You can just insert it so that the sheet won't come up. Okay, and now I'm going to fit the clamps. Okay, this is the one which came with the spring. Okay, first putting this. Okay, and I bought two more washers. Okay, then the nut. And tighten it up. Then one more clamp. Same way, put the washer. Why I bought this two extra washers is because the nut won't go below, because the original springs were till to some extent only it will go. So I bought two extra washers. Okay, tight it up. Okay, tight little bit loose only so that you can adjust it when you are fitting the seat. Okay, and then next this clamp, fit it in the front nut. Okay, okay, tight it up. If you have spanner like this also, you can put it and tighten it up. Okay, done. So I have taken out the springs and I have put up the clamps. Hope this video helps for you to modify your seats. Thank you.